Hello everyone, this is Rajesh. Welcome to my channel. Today I am discussing first to C program. Open Turbo C, open Turbo C++ editor. Okay, to do first to C program, to do any program, go to file, go to click on new option. To learn C Java languages, please subscribe my channel. Okay, I am defining hash include stdio.h header file, hash include conio.h header file. Using these two header files, I will use some predefined functions in my program. Now I am defining main method. Main method is to execute my program. Okay, defining void main. Main method is to execute my program. stdio.h is known as standard input output header file. conio.h is known as okay. I am defined clear screen. Console input output header file c1 clear screen. This function is used to give fresh output clear screen function. Printf hello world. I want to print on console hello world. Close main method. Okay, after defining program, you should save this program with .c extension. To learn C Java program, please subscribe my channel. File, save menu, save option, click on save. Save with .c extension your C program. I am saving abb.c. OK, click on OK. Okay, now I want to compile my program. Click on compile. Alt plus F9 to compile my program. Shortcut key Alt plus F9. I have 0 errors, 0 warnings. To run my program, click on run option. Okay, to view output Alt plus F5. To run Alt plus F9. Take some notes. Write down every point clearly. Clear screen. This function belongs to stdio.h header file. This function is used to give fresh output. If we execute multiple times without using clear screen, it will print multiple times output in sequence. Now I am using getch function. Getch function. This function using which we can execute output directly. Click on Ctrl plus F9. Hello world. Okay, once again I am saying Ctrl plus F9. Hello world. Using getch we can execute directly without compiling. If any compilation errors are there, it will show net compilation time. Getch. This function belongs to conio.h header file, console input output header file. Sorry, clear screen also belongs to conio.h header file. This function using which we can execute directly. We can execute my program directly. Printf. Sorry, I have used in the program printf. Function belongs to stdio.h header file, standard input output header file. This function is used to display output on console. This printf function is used to display output at console. Please like, share, subscribe my channel for more updates.